Is it possible to learn English at home without expensive course, without English speaking environment, without big school? Because that is exactly how I improve my English. Today I will show you the simple tools and habits that help me build fluency from home. Hey everyone, I am Nigam and I am from Bihar and I am English teacher and today is day 12 of Think in English daily series. Okay, many students ask me, how did you become fluent in English? What is the secret behind your fluency? Do we need expensive spoken classes? The truth is, you don't need expensive classes. You need the right practice system. Why I made this video? I made this video for students who feel stuck. Students who think I don't have money for coaching. I don't have an English environment. But remember this, your phone can become your English teacher. The first tool that helped me was Google. When I didn't understand something, I read it. For example, how to use since and for. Difference between says and tell. How to pronounce a word. Instead of waiting for a teacher. Oh shit. Lots. I'm going to good place to record video, so I'm suffering that. Okay, now I'm coming here to good place. Google become my teachers. Whenever I think and I watch any video in YouTube and any difficult words that I watch but I can't understand what is meaning of it, then I search Google and I ask what is meaning of this word. Then I understand whatever I see, whatever I watch, whatever I read and I don't understand, then I go to the Google and search it and then write down in my notebook. That can help me a lot. That is Google. The second tool was YouTube. Yes, YouTube. YouTube is one of the best place to learn English. You can learn pronunciation, grammar, conversation, listening skill. But remember one rule. Don't just watch video. Practice what you learn. Yes, whenever I beginner, I don't understand how I can learn English and how I can practice, and I have no partner to practice in English. So I make partner to my YouTube for practicing. I watch video, then pause, then repeat. Whatever influencer or actor say, I repeat that. Pause, repeat. That can improve my fluency and speaking practice on a right track. So you don't need to watch any video. You need to practice. You need to involve your life. This was the most powerful habits. I start speaking to myself in English. Yes, alone. I describe my day. I am making tea. I'm going outside. I am walking on my field. I am going market. I am reading a book. The first felt strange. What is this? Sister's games. It looks good. Not here. This is not for here. I think this is good. If I kept here, then it looks beautiful. That's amazing. I can took here. But English, slowly my brain starts thinking English. Number 4. English story. A story helps me improve my vocabulary and thinking. When you read or listen to a story, you learn natural English. Examples: I was working in the field. Suddenly it started raining. A story teaches language in context. Tool number 5. Using what I have. I didn't for perfect condition. I used what I had. My phone, my internet, my time. That was enough for me to learn English, to practice English, to teach you something. Fluency is not about expensive course. Fluency is about daily practice. Even 20 minutes every day can change your English in a few months. Today, try this simple routine. 10 minutes watching English content, 10 minutes speaking in English. Repeat this stage. Be honest. Are you learning English at home? Comment yes if you believe you can improve without expensive classes. Your phone can waste your time or it can build your futures. The choice is yours. See you on the day 30.